Tired of wrestling with insurance paperwork? Let's unlock the secrets to hassle-free policy management by getting your PNB MetLife Customer ID. Your PNB MetLife Customer ID is your personal key to accessing all your policy details and enjoying seamless online services. Think of it as your digital passport to managing your insurance with ease. First, head over to the official PNB MetLife website. You can find the link in the description box below. Look for the new user registration or a similar register button. It's usually prominently displayed on the home page. Click on it to begin the registration process. Now, you'll be directed to an online registration form. Here, you'll need to provide some basic information, such as your policy number, date of birth, and your registered mobile number. Make sure you have your policy documents handy. Your policy number is usually a series of digits that uniquely identifies your PNB MetLife policy. Double-check it to avoid any errors. After submitting your details, you will receive a one-time password, or OTP, on your registered mobile number. Enter this OTP to verify your identity. Once verified, you will be prompted to create your unique customer ID and a strong, secure password. Choose something memorable, difficult for others to guess. Congratulations, you've successfully created your PNB MetLife Customer ID. You can now use this ID and password to log in and access all your policy details, pay premiums online, download statements, and much more. Your customer ID simplifies account management and puts you in control. Say goodbye to lengthy phone calls and endless paperwork. Start exploring the convenience of online access today. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful insurance tips and tricks.